Alright guys, we are here at the infamous IKEA, and we are looking for inspiration for our future home. So
welcome. We can bring our dogs.
We will show you all the cute stuff we find. Serious when you're in a 2-story IKEA. Just the restaurant part of IKEA.
It's like a mall.
This is huge. Doing a hiring event over there, and they have free cheese, and I'm not gonna lie.
Queso.
Cameron and I are considering applying for a job here just so we can get some free cheese. I like the gold knobs.
Yeah.
I like them. Oh, it's a soft close.
Interesting.
This is a Cameron kitchen.
Hello.
No upper cabinets.
Very nice.
You like the tile?
I mean, I would do railroad, whatever they call it, subway tile.
Ugh, I don't like subway tile. Do you like this?
I like this.
Do you like the living room?
Living room, yeah, I like it. A little dark on the walls,
But do you like the?
I think we're gonna have a lighter wall.
Do you like the plank though? The plank wall or shiplap, or I don't even know what you call it.
No. I mean, I do, but I think we're doing that for our ceiling. So
I like the beams on the
I
ceiling.
mean, I do want to do exposed beam.
Let's just take a look at this living room. See how you look in it. It's cute. It's cute. This is so much lighter and brighter and better.
Lighter and brighter and better.
This looks like it's not comfy. I like how deep the seat is, though.
Yes.
Hard as a rock.
Tell
Hard
me.
as a rock.
Tell me more about it. Tell me.
Maybe if
Really explore the space.
You have to
Explore
learn
the
to ask
space.
more specific questions.
Explore the space. I really want to see you.
Oh, drawer here.
Drawer.
Look
Yes.
at that, it opens.
Wow, really. Walk around the couch.
A faux laptop.
See if you can.
Oh, look at the doggy gate.
Yes.
I think we're good. I think we've
All
covered
right.
it.
Really exploring the space.
move on.
Watching you walk out and.
I like these floors. I like them.
It was a slow motion roll up, Chelsea.
We need a picture of that huge. I like that.
Action. We're rolling.
Ooh. Okay. What is that? It's like, it feels like candy. Can you do me a favor and touch it? I'll switch with that.
How does that mean? Feels like candy. Feels like candy.
It's like a type of candy. What do you think about double up? Oh, it's a microwave?
What, a pull down microwave?
This is the microwave. This is the oven.
Yes, I love that. All in the same little. What is that? What was that?
This is the garbage.
Jeez Louise. Push.
Really? Oh, I think this is a dishwasher, but like.
Ooh. Hello.
It looks like your vibe because it has wood and dark.
Use a guitar, one string. I've been known to dabble. Ooh, gas burners. Not a fan. Don't like the sink.
Why?
It's not built in. It's not underneath.
Oh, you
You
want
can't sweep
the
things
flush
into it.
mount. Okay.
Flush mount.
What do you think about these floors?
Water filter, I like it. The floors, no. What is this?
What about the cabinets?
God, those are so deep. It's the deepest cabinets I've ever seen. There we go. There's the. I do like when the dishwasher looks like a cabinet, though.
Yeah.
I do like that. There we go. I like that. Underneath the sink, this little. I like that.
You like these walls?
I just like how they, just pretty much framed out a wall. There's nothing that goes in, but it makes it look classier.
Did you just put a pinky up when you said classy?
Yeah, that's what plastic paper did. Pinky out.
Okay. I like this rug.
Yeah.
I love it. I think it's so
I think
cute.
it looks like it's upside down.
It looks like just older.
Yeah, no, I love buying new and looking old. And traveling through.
Do you think this look could work in our house? This modern look?
No, absolutely not.
'Cause I kind of like it.
Absolutely not, though.
I love cooktops when they're like this.
Flat?
Like when they're not.
How can you get gas though?
I don't know.
It's too modern.
I don't know anything about it. Okay, baby, I love this kitchen.
Yeah.
And I love you, and you match the flowers. I feel like it's a sign.
I would like to have double sink action. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Like a sink here.
And look at this. Gas, separate.
What about the cabinets though?
These ones?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Glass?
Yeah.
I don't mind them.
Lots of subway tile,
Yeah?
which I thought I didn't like, but it actually looks kind of cute.
I don't like this wasted counter space. I do like the color though.
You like the gray?
I like the gray with the light top. I like that.
Yeah.
Looks good.
What about this one behind you?
Nope.
No? I don't like it either. All right, we have made it through.
That was it.
All of IKEA. It actually didn't take that long.
No.
So, overall thoughts? Do you
I think
feel
it's
like?
a little bit easier when you're not going to spend any money.
Yeah, that's true. But
Overall thoughts.
do you feel like you kind of have an idea of what you want our house to look like?
I think so. I have to go back through the footage, but I think I saw one that I really liked.
The kitchen?
Yeah, one of the kitchens.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
I'm not 100% sure what I like still.
Just like a woman. Typical.
So stay tuned to see what we actually end up picking. We're so close, you guys, to actually breaking ground on this freaking house.
So close.